As you can see, we are going to study five kingdom system of classification as proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1969. In our surroundings, you can see many different life forms, the living organisms ranging right from algal growth on water bodies to tall green plants like banyan tree, animals, different animals like cat, crow, elephant, cow, buffalo, also the growth of bread mold on the bread. Okay, how are these organisms classified? Let us check this classification of organisms as given by Robert Whittaker. So for this, I'll need to share my screen with you. And let's get started with understanding about classification system. So here comes our living organisms. Now, all the living organisms are primarily classified based on the structure of the cell. The cell structure, which is very simple, very primitive type, is that of the prokaryotic cell. Here you can see the image of prokaryotic cell, and all the organisms possessing prokaryotic, a primitive, a simple basic type of cell are put under prokaryotes, are known as prokaryotes. Okay, then developed type of a cell which shows presence of cell organelles, a very well developed nucleus. The two nucleus is eukaryotic cell, and the organisms are referred to as the eukaryotes. Coming back to the prokaryotes, these are simple primitive type of cell, and the body of this organism is made up of only one cell, a single cell. That's why these organisms are referred to as unicellular organism. All unicellular prokaryotic organisms are put under the group of kingdom Monera. And what do we have over here? We are having bacteria. So all bacteria put under our first kingdom, that is kingdom Monera. Moving on to the eukaryotes. Eukaryotes can either be unicellular or they can be multicellular. Unicellular eukaryotes are placed under kingdom Protista. Amoeba, Euglena, Paramecia are few of the examples belonging to the group kingdom Protista. Coming to multicellular eukaryotic organism, the classification is done on the basis of presence or absence of cell wall. The organisms, the multicellular organisms without cell wall are placed under kingdom Animalia, elephant, tiger, lion, crow, leopard, put under kingdom Animalia. So check this example. Moving ahead with cell wall, the eukaryotic multicellular organisms with cell wall are further classified on the basis of mode of nutrition. Organisms that cannot prepare its own food by the process of photosynthesis, your mushroom, yeast, common bread mold are all put under kingdom fungi. The organism, the eukaryotic organism that can prepare its own food using solar energy by the process of photosynthesis are put under kingdom Plantae. All green plants ranging from algae to banyan tree to mango to rose to grasses, all these organisms are put under kingdom Plantae. So by this, we are having five kingdoms that we have studied just now. Let's repeat the name of these five kingdoms. Okay, quickly. The first prokaryotic cell possessing unicellular organisms are put under kingdom Monera, that comprises of all the bacteria, our first kingdom. The second kingdom is also unicellular but eukaryotic cell, the eukaryotes. Unicellular and eukaryotes put under kingdom Protista. Here we are having the example amoeba, paramecium, euglena. Next, our kingdom is multicellular eukaryotic cell possessing organism that cannot make its own food by process of photosynthesis, that is lacking chlorophyll, and this has got fungi, all types of fungi, your aspergillus, mushroom, bread mold will come under the kingdom fungi. Next kingdom is that of all green plants that can prepare its own food by the process of photosynthesis, multicellular and of course eukaryote. So here we are having kingdom Plantae, all green plants. Next is the kingdom that do not show, the cells do not show presence of cell wall, and all animals belong to the group of kingdom Animalia. So this 5 kingdom system of classification was given by Robert Whittaker in 1969. Hope you like the explanation. If you do like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.